Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla coolant. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Protect your eyes with safety glasses and your hands with gloves. Also, make sure your car is on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged for stability. Now, let's drain the old coolant. First, find the radiator drain plug, usually a small plastic petcock located at the bottom of your radiator. Place a large, clean drain pan directly underneath to catch all the fluid. Open both the drain plug and the radiator cap to ensure a complete and steady flow. Allow the system to drain fully. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old coolant drained, it's time to flush the system. Close the drain plug and fill the radiator with distilled water. Run your engine with the heater on high until it reaches normal operating temperature, then drain the water. Repeat this flushing process until the water runs completely clear. Finally, refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically about 1.5 gallons. Our final step involves bleeding air from the system and performing final checks. Start the engine with the radiator cap off, allowing any trapped air to escape. Gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to encourage air bubbles to rise. Top off the coolant to the full mark and securely replace the cap. Drive your car, then check for any leaks and monitor the coolant level over the next few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.